This is number 14. Add additional data series. It's on the same file we used for number 13. So first, you right-click the Data Worksheet tab. It's all the way at the very end. And you right-click the tab. You select Move or Copy. Scroll to the bottom of the Before Sheet list, and you want to move it to the end and create a copy. Now you want to double-click the Data 2 tab and rename it Data EXP, and then press Enter. So A2 through F7 should be selected already, but if not, select it. Go to the Insert tab, and then you go to the Charts group and select the Insert Column Chart button, which is right here. And then you want to select the Clustered Column option, which is the first one in the 2D column list. Now what you want to do is go to the Coffee and Espresso row, then select Bakery, right-click row 4, and insert a new row. And then you want to insert a row right before Packaged Coffee and Tea. So select row 8 and insert another row. And then I'll have to edit these new rows and the values of these other ones. So the coffee row, you want to change this to 697, 740, 605, 440, and then 575. Then row 4 now is going to be called Espresso / Premium Coffee. And these values will be 105, 210, 410, 610, and 810. Now you go to the Packaged Coffee and Tea. Just make it so it's just packaged coffee. Press Tab, and you want to change these to 176, 165, 150, 98, and 38. And then the last blank row, you will change it to Packaged Tea. And these values are 15, 25, 45, 100, and 150. Now that you've done that, you have to go to a blank area in the chart that you've inserted. So up in the corner is a good spot. And you scroll, you look up, and you select Data. And then this dialog box opens. And down here on the left side, you select the Add, and this dialog box pops up. So you go to this button right here to select your series name, and you will select A4. And in the series value, delete what it has there, and press this button, and select B4 through F4. And then just press OK. Now make sure it's selected here on the left side again. And you'll press this Move Up arrow and move it below Coffee. Now you want to add another one, and this series name will be A8 Packaged Tea. Delete what's in the series values box, press this button, and select B8 to F8, and press OK. And you want to move that up with this arrow again, just below Packaged Coffee. And then just press OK. And now this chart has Espresso and Premium Coffee added, and Packaged Tea added.